So in this problem, determine the support reactions for the beam shown in figure. But the given support B is inclined, but slopes are given. It's also a very simple problem. So for first thing, we have to write the free body diagram. First write the support reactions. Write the support reactions. So the first is hinge support. So we know that hinge support we are having two unknowns. First, initially we are assuming positive, therefore VA and HA. But at B, we are having roller, but the roller slopes are given, right? Slopes are given. Determine the angle. The slope given is like this. So 1, 2, determine this theta. So apply tan theta. Tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. So theta equals tan inverse of half. Tan inverse of 0.5. So theta equals how much? What is the value of theta? 26.56?
26.56.
Yes, 26.56 degree. So this is 26.56. Then as usual, drop a perpendicular. Drop perpendicular. When you are dropping perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. So what is the remaining angle? 90 minus 26.56. 90 minus
63.43.
63.4. So you are getting 63.4 here also. So now can take this reaction of always acting towards origin. So this is also outward. So you are getting 1, 2. So this is VB cos 63.4 and this is VB sin 63.4 degree. So this is over. It's very simple. First write the support reactions. Next you are having one more force of 100 kilonewton at 45. So at point C. So you are getting one is towards origin, another one is towards origin, right? So this value is 100 cos 45, and this is 100 sin 45. This is also over. Next, throughout the span 50 into 3 W into L, 150 kilonewton acts at L by 2, 1.5 meters, and remaining is also 1.5 meters, and this is 1 meter, and this is also 1 meter. So you are getting this is 3 meters, you are getting this is 1 meter, and this is 1 meter. This is regarding free body diagram. Next, apply equations of statics. That is sigma Fx equals 0. All right side forces are positive, left side forces are negative. How many horizontal forces? 1, 2, 3. Plus HA less 100 cos 45 and minus VB cos 63.4 equals 0. Take it as equation number 1 because we are having two unknowns. Next, apply sigma Fy equals 0. Sign convention, all upward forces are positive, all downward forces are negative. How many vertical forces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus VA minus 100 sin 45 minus 100 sin 45 minus 150 and plus VB sin 63.4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 forces, which is equal to 0. Clear? So we are getting VA plus VB. So you just take this as equation number 2. Equation number 2 because two unknowns. Next you take third equations of equilibrium, that is sigma moment at A equals 0. All clockwise moments are assumed to be positive and anti-clockwise moments are assumed to be negative. With respect to this joint, HA, VA, this 100 cos 45 and VB cos are moving same line of action. They won't create any kind of moment effect. But this 100 sin 45 moves in this line because of this 1 meter. It take a turn towards A clockwise. Therefore, plus 100 sin 45 into 1. The effect is clockwise. Effect is clockwise. Next, this 150 moves in this line because of this total perpendicular distance. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1.5, 2 plus 1.5, 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5 meters. Take a turn towards A in clockwise. So plus 150 multiplied by 3.5. This is also clockwise. Next, you are having one more force. It's moving in upward direction because of this total distance. It take a turn anti-clockwise. Therefore, minus VB sin 63.4 multiplied by what is the total distance? 3 plus 2, 5, which is equal to 0. So now compute the VB value. What is this total?
595.71.
So VB equals 590.71 divided by 5 sin 63.4. 5 sin 63.4. Determine the VB value.
133.24.
0.24 kilonewton. This is VB. Once you got VB, substitute to equation 2, you are getting VA. You are getting VA from 1. From equation 1, from equation 2, you are getting VA. VA equals, you just take that side, it will become 100 sin 45. 100 sin 45, take that side, it will become plus 150 minus VB values 133.24 sin 63.4. 3.4. Determine the value of VA. So value of VA. 100 sin 45 plus 150 minus 133.
101.57.
101.5 kilonewton. 57 kilonewton. So this is VA. Once we got VA, VB, now same equation from equation 1. From equation 1, what is the value of HA? HA equals minus VB. VB will become, this side will become positive. So 133.24 cos 63.4 minus 100 cos 45. Cos 45. What is the value of HA? 133.24 cos 63.4 minus 100 cos 45.
11.05.
11.05 kilonewton. So this is positive horizontal in this direction. VA is also positive upward direction. VB is also positive upward direction. This is regarding computation of reaction. Finally, if you want hinge support resultant, so resultant R and theta at hinge support. So that is very simple. RA equals square root of VA square plus HA square. Just substitute the values of VA and HA. You are getting RA. What is the value? HA square plus VA square. VA square is 101.5 square. 101.5 square plus HA 11.05 square plus 11.05 square root.
102.09.
Square root is the okay
2.09.
09 kilonewton. This is over. Next, resultant inclination theta equals tan inverse of magnitude of VA by HA. So tan inverse of that is theta A. theta suffix a. Theta a equals tan inverse of VA. VA is 101.5 divided by 11.05.
83.7.
83.7 degree. This is regarding computation of whatever resultant hinge and inclination. So the very first step is we just determine the triangle angle using the slope, given slope. We determine the theta value, substituted here and drop to the perpendicular and computed 90 minus theta, the value. Next, we just projected principle of transmissivity over here. This is VB. So now you resolve this VB cos 63.4 and VB sin 63.4. So first we have just written a free body diagram. We reduced all distributed load into point load. Next we applied equations of statics. Sigma fx equals 0, sigma fy equals 0 and sigma m equals 0. We determined the unknown reactions VA, HA and VB. Finally we computed resultant and its inclination and hinge support using general equation. It's a very simple problem, very important problem. Please just follow these basic steps. Thank you.